Looking for the perfect adults-only escape in Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Hotel Riu Palace Mexico, a luxurious 5-star all-inclusive resort that's been making waves since it opened back in 2007. This isn't just another beach hotel, it's a sophisticated retreat designed exclusively for adults aged 18 and over, sitting pretty on one of the most beautiful stretches of white sand you'll ever see in Playa del Carmen. With over 12,000 reviews on TripAdvisor giving it a solid 4.5 stars and Booking.com users rating it an impressive 9.1 out of 10, this place clearly knows how to keep guests happy. The resort sprawls across 15 hectares of prime beachfront real estate, featuring colonial Mexican architecture mixed with modern luxury touches, lush tropical gardens that feel like walking through paradise, and direct access to that gorgeous Caribbean beach everyone dreams about. What really sets this place apart is the attention to detail from the moment you arrive until you reluctantly check out. Everything is designed to make your vacation as relaxing and enjoyable as possible. The property underwent major renovations in 2022 and 2023, refreshing the junior suites, adding new poolside cabanas, and upgrading the spa with the latest technology. They didn't stop there either. In 2024, they modernized their dining venues to keep things fresh and exciting. This commitment to constant improvement shows they're not resting on their laurels. The resort has earned some serious recognition too, including TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Awards for 2023 through 2025 and Booking.com's Guest Review Award for 2024. They're also serious about sustainability, earning certification for their Green Star initiatives that include solar panels, eliminating single-use plastics, and protecting the coral reefs. So if you're looking for a place that combines luxury with environmental responsibility, you're in the right spot. Now let's talk about where you'll actually be sleeping, because the accommodations here are genuinely impressive. The resort offers 445 rooms and suites, and honestly, even the entry-level options are pretty spectacular. Every single room comes with marble bathrooms, not the cheap stuff, actual marble that makes you feel fancy every time you brush your teeth. The minibars are stocked daily with free drinks and snacks, which is a nice touch that saves you from those late-night munchy runs. Each room also has a liquor dispenser, so you can mix yourself a cocktail without leaving your room, plus a Nespresso machine for coffee lovers who need that morning fix. The 55-inch smart TVs mean you can catch up on your favorite shows or stream movies if you need a lazy day, and the 24-hour room service means you never have to go hungry. Free Wi-Fi throughout the property keeps you connected, though some guests mention it can be a bit spotty in the rooms occasionally. The junior suites are the most popular option, measuring 46 square meters with either a king bed or 2 twins, a separate living area, and your own balcony or terrace. These rooms sleep up to 3 adults comfortably and come with air conditioning, a safe for your valuables, hairdryer, plush bathrobes and slippers that make you feel like royalty, and even a pillow menu so you can choose your perfect sleeping setup. The real treat is the hydromassage tub, perfect for soaking away any stress after a day in the sun. Views vary from garden to pool to partial ocean, and prices range from $350 to $550 per night depending on the season, with May through October being the more affordable months. If you want guaranteed ocean views, upgrade to the Junior Suite Ocean View, which has the same layout but with full ocean sightlines that'll have you waking up to turquoise water every morning. Some of these even offer swim-out access, meaning you can literally step from your terrace right into a pool. These run $400 to $650 per night. For those wanting to really splurge, the suites are 72 square meters of pure luxury with a separate bedroom, living room, dining area, and 2 balconies so you get views from multiple angles. These oceanfront beauties sleep up to 4 adults and include everything the junior suites have, plus a separate shower and jacuzzi, a bidet, and extra seating areas. Perfect for honeymoons or special occasions, these range from $500 to $800 per night. The design throughout uses airy whites and blues with tropical accents that feel fresh and beaky, without being over the top. Guest photos show those spacious balconies overlooking the water are the real deal, and the official website even has 360-degree virtual tours so you can explore before you book. When it comes to food and drinks, Hotel Riu Palace Mexico really delivers with 7 restaurants and 4 bars, all covered by your all-inclusive package. This means unlimited premium drinks and meals without constantly reaching for your wallet, which is honestly one of the best parts of staying here. The main buffet restaurant, Crystal, serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, offering fusion international cuisine that changes daily. The seafood stations are particularly popular, and they have live cooking stations where chefs prepare omelets, sushi, and other dishes right in front of you. The restaurant seats 400 people and has a casual dress code, so you can roll up in your beach cover-up if you want. They do themed nights too, with Mexican night on Wednesdays being a guest favorite. No reservations needed here, which is convenient when you're hungry and don't want to wait. For something more upscale, Kensington is the British-style steakhouse serving dinner from 6:30 to 10. This place specializes in dry-aged ribeyes and lobster surf and turf that guests rave about in reviews. It seats about 80 people and requires elegant casual dress, meaning no shorts, so pack at least one pair of long pants. Reservations are advised here because it fills up fast. They even host special steak tasting events that sound amazing. La Dolce Vita brings authentic Italian cuisine with house-made pasta and tiramisu that multiple reviewers specifically mention as outstanding. Same dinner hours and elegant casual dress code, seating 70 guests. They occasionally have opera-themed nights that add a fun cultural element to your meal. Sakura offers Pan-Asian fusion cuisine including teppanyaki and dim sum, seating 50 people for dinner. This one requires reservations because the teppanyaki shows are popular entertainment while you eat. They also offer sushi-making demonstrations that are both educational and delicious. Puro Bueno serves modern Mexican cuisine with tacos al pastor and mole that showcase authentic flavors. They seat 60 with a casual dress code and advisable reservations. During Dia de Muertos season, they pull out special decorations and menu items that celebrate the holiday beautifully. For drinks, Bar 1 in the lobby serves premium spirits and mocktails from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning, with live piano music creating a sophisticated atmosphere. The pool bar offers swim-up service from 10 to 6, specializing in tropical drinks like margaritas and frozen cocktails, perfect when you don't want to leave the water. The bars include swimwear-appropriate dress codes, so you can literally swim up and order. All the restaurants feature glossy professional photography on the website showing sizzling steaks and vibrant sushi platters, and guest photos on Booking.com confirm the food quality matches the presentation. The pool situation at Hotel Riu Palace Mexico deserves its own spotlight because they've really nailed this aspect. There are 4 pools total, and the star of the show is definitely the main infinity pool. This massive adults-only pool measures 1,200 square meters and stays at a comfortable depth of 1.2 to 1.4 meters throughout. The infinity edge creates that stunning visual effect where the pool seems to blend right into the ocean beyond, making for incredible photos and an even better swimming experience. The swim-up bar means you can order drinks without ever leaving the water, which is exactly the kind of convenience you want on vacation. This pool is open year-round from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, and towel service is included so you don't need to bring anything from your room. If you want extra comfort, cabanas are available for $50 per day, giving you a shaded private space with cushioned seating. Beyond the main pool, there's a quiet pool measuring 800 square meters for those times when you want to relax without the music and activity of the main area. 2 smaller relaxation pools round out the options, giving you plenty of choices depending on your mood. All pools maintain crystal clear water and are surrounded by comfortable loungers with plenty of space so you never feel cramped. The pool decks feature tropical landscaping that provides natural shade in spots while still letting you soak up sun when you want it. Beach waiters circulate regularly taking drink and food orders so you can spend entire days poolside without missing meals. The beach itself is absolutely spectacular, 300 meters of pristine white sand with calm turquoise waters that look like something from a postcard. The water stays relatively shallow for a good distance out, making it perfect for swimming and wading. Free kayaks and paddleboards are available for guests who want to explore, and snorkeling equipment can be rented for a fee. The beach setup includes rows of comfortable loungers with umbrellas, and those same attentive beach waiters ensure you stay hydrated and fed. The sand is regularly cleaned and maintained, staying soft and free of debris. Several guests mention the beach as their favorite part of the entire resort, which says a lot considering all the other amenities. The combination of pools and beach means you can vary your water activities throughout your stay, keeping things interesting whether you're there for 3 days or 3 weeks. Activities at Hotel Riu Palace Mexico go well beyond just lounging by the pool, though there's absolutely nothing wrong with that approach to vacation. The fitness center is surprisingly well equipped for a beach resort, featuring treadmills, free weights, stationary bikes, and yoga mats for those who want to maintain their workout routine even on holiday. The center is open from 7 in the morning until 9 at night, giving you flexibility to exercise whenever suits your schedule. Group fitness classes are offered daily, including Zumba and aqua aerobics that add a fun social element to working out. The schedule varies, but there's typically something happening most mornings and afternoons. Personal training is available for an additional fee if you want customized attention. Beyond structured fitness, the resort offers various activities throughout the day. Beach volleyball courts let you organize games with other guests, and the activities team can help coordinate tournaments if there's interest. Water sports equipment beyond the free kayaks and paddleboards includes options for more adventurous activities, though some of these carry additional costs. The nightly entertainment program is a huge draw, with shows starting at 9:30 featuring live bands, acrobatic performances, and themed events that change throughout the week. The Riu Party happens every Friday night, a beach foam party that guests either love or avoid depending on their party preferences. The entertainment is high-quality production rather than cheesy resort shows, with professional performers and good sound systems. For those who prefer quieter evenings, the lobby bar with live piano music offers a more relaxed atmosphere. The resort doesn't have a kids club because it's adults only, which means all activities are designed with grown-up preferences in mind. No screaming children in the pool, no kid-focused entertainment interrupting your romantic dinner, just adult relaxation and fun. The activities staff are enthusiastic without being pushy, happy to help you join in or leave you alone to do your own thing. Special events happen seasonally, including elaborate New Year's galas and Halloween beach parties that add extra excitement if you happen to visit during those times. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.